Hi, this is Sai Teja Shalpali. Welcome to my channel. Yes, I have finally bought my first iPhone. Sorry, it's iPhones. Yes, I have bought two iPhones. One is iPhone 12 mini and other is iPhone 11. So before talking about these iPhones, I just want to talk about why I bought these two iPhones. So the purpose of bringing these two iPhones is because of the content creation. I have started my content creation journey since I'm in my college, mostly first year. So I used to do some dance videos from there. While doing those dance videos and this, I have started with using my Redmi Note 5 Pro, and later I have changed. I have used this for some years, and I have changed that mobile to Poco M3. And whatever videos I used to do, I used to do every month a video or every week a video. Every video that I used to do is recorded from that phone. So there is a lot of difference between that Note 5 Pro and MIA, whatever those brands and iPhone. So yeah, that's the reason I have bought the iPhone. So this video is not going to be a technical review of the iPhones, but most of the experience of Android user shifting to the iOS. So my initial experience with iPhone and what's my review about iPhone. So yeah, let's get into this video. Let's do an unboxing kind of a video, but I have already unboxed it and started using from a few days, but for the sake of video I'm doing the unboxing again. Let's get it. So why did I bought two iPhones? One is iPhone 11 128GB variant, which costed me around 44,000. I bought this from Big Billion Day sale in Amazon. And this one is iPhone 12 mini 64GB variant, and it costed around 40,000. I have bought this from Flipkart. So basically there is a story behind these two mobiles. First, I have ordered this mobile, which is iPhone 11 128GB variant, because as I do more videos, definitely I knew that I need more storage. So keeping that in mind, I have ordered this, and I'm planning to buy an iPhone from many days. I'll be explaining this about that thing in the later parts of the video. And first I have ordered this mobile, and later this mobile was ordered, 12 mini was ordered by my brother. But after getting these two phones, my mind went with iPhone 12, because this has more high quality resolution of camera, and it's super tiny, and it's looking more good. And when compared to the 11 of camera, definitely this is very much better with my personal experience. So I bought this iPhone only because of the camera that I want, because I wanted to record videos in 4K 60 fps and also the good quality. So I have opted for this mobile and started using this iPhone 12 mini, even though it is 64GB. That's good. Yeah, I can manage. I bought this iPhone with my own money. So right from my college days, I always wanted to buy an iPhone, basically an iPhone or a high quality mobile where it can record good videos, whether it might be my dance videos or educational content that I am doing today. So right from my third year, I have planned to buy an iPhone. Right at that time, I used to do some freelancing and internships. If I wanted to buy at the time, I could have bought at least a OnePlus mobile at the time, which will cost around 20 to 30,000 at the time. But I don't want to buy at that particular time because it's a time where I should learn more. Even I'm learning today, when even I'm in a job, I'm learning today as well. But at the time, the money or the little money which came through freelancing or internships should be helpful to take. I thought to take some courses, and I use my hard-earned money in that way. So in the third year, I used that money in that way, and later when I have completed my studies, I thought right now I am having some multiple income streams, decent income streams. So it's a good time to buy an iPhone. With my money, I always wanted to keep this in mind, whether if I wanted to buy any luxury product or anything which is not my need, just for the sake of a comfort, then definitely I should buy that with my money. So I don't want to buy that with my parents' money. So that's the reason I have bought it. And why I bought iPhone particularly, I have said many times, and most of you people as already know, because of the only video quality that we have, and also we do have some other mobiles like OnePlus which give 4K 60 FPS and these shots, and but what I have observed with my experience with some of my friends' mobiles and all, these kinds of other brand mobiles, the camera is getting degraded with every update, but iPhone is a standard thing as far as I know and have experience from my friend's mobile. So yeah, that's the reason I have bought it, pretty much it. And is it worth to buy an iPhone? Definitely it's worth buying it if you are comfortable paying that price, and also if you are a content creator and if you are able to pay that price, because just if you are just in your starting stages, you're just a beginning stages of your career, then definitely I would suggest you to not buy an iPhone directly, because if you have, until and unless if you have your requirement with the iPhone, then only go for it. With my few days of experience, I am saying this thing because you can buy as an Android user, the only difference I have observed is the camera that we have. Part of it, everything is cool, simple, smooth, the iOS and everything, and it's lot more privacy than other things that we have. Everything asks our permission, other things. Now, do we need an iPhone to get started? Obviously no. So there are many content creators who just started from nothing, having no fancy mobile or fancy cameras or anything, and they reached main heights. The content is the king. We need to have that content, and we need to have that zeal to make content. Even today I'm a beginner, but I have that vision of what content I should do. Even that's the reason I have took some risk and bought this iPhone. And even before taking this iPhone, I have done many videos using my Redmi Note 5 Pro and Poco M3. Even today I use this Poco M3 mobile. This hang a lot, that's the reason I have bought iPhone as well. So I would have bought a camera, but direct a DSLR or something with the same money, but I thought as this mobile is it's not working more, and it would be helpful if I have iPhone in place of it, so that I can use both the purposes for the camera and my mobile usage as well. So definitely it's not required to buy an iPhone in the starting stages, if until and unless if you can afford it. Definitely it's worth buying it, but try to buy with your own money. Definitely that would be a good option. So that's pretty much it in this video. I hope you guys like the video, and also with using this mobile, hope I will do more videos whether it's from 4K 60 fps and other sorts of things, and try to give you a best quality content in terms of the value and also the quality to see and feel the content. Yeah, that's about it. And don't forget to hit that like button. Definitely it gives me a motivation, and also it suggests the algorithm. If you do more likes, the algorithm will suggest this video to more people, and which will definitely helpful to the channel. And yeah, that's about it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.